More than 72% of e-commerce sales take place on a mobile device, making SMS a valuable channel for driving engagement and revenue. But what does that mean for your brand? Today, we'll explore how SMS can complement your omni-channel strategy by answering two questions. What is SMS marketing, and how does it work?
SMS marketing is the practice of sending your customers and prospects promotions, coupons, announcements, reminders, and more via text message. Many brands use it as a go-to channel for connecting with customers in a timely, personalized way. The abbreviation SMS stands for Short Message Service. But SMS isn't the only kind of text marketing today's brands use. You'll also hear about MMS, which stands for Multimedia Messaging Service. It's used for sending pictures, GIFs, and animated graphics. And now there's RCS, or Rich Communication Services. Brands that use RCS can send high-resolution images, videos, buttons, and carousels. When deciding what kinds of messages to send, start by thinking about how texting fits into your brand's marketing strategy. SMS is powerful on its own, but the best way to make the most of your marketing channels is to think about how they can complement each other throughout the customer journey. Traditional text campaigns are a great way to reach out with a one-time message at the perfect moment. But many brands also send transactional text messages, which automatically update customers on their order status. Modern businesses also use conversational texting to carry on two-way conversations with help from both automations and human agents. It's a smart way to deepen engagement, educate customers, and even drive them to purchase sooner. Now, let's take a closer look at how texting fits into one brand's marketing strategy. Health and beauty brand Nani uses SMS marketing to sell more skincare products. One of their loyal customers, Taylor, regularly buys the brand's products online. Recently, Taylor received an email invitation to join Nani's SMS VIP program. Taylor signed up for the program with her phone number to get in on the brand's exclusive VIP offers. Later that week, she received a text offering early access to a new product launch. By tapping the link in that text, she was able to purchase the product before anyone else. Taylor's experience with Nani shows how SMS marketing can build off channels like email, and how a timely SMS message can give a customer the final push to make a purchase. But that's just one strategy. Let's take a look at another example. Mother's Day is a month away, and Nani's marketing team wants to approach the holiday thoughtfully. They know frequent reminders can feel overwhelming, so they create an SMS campaign that asks subscribers if they'd like to pause or reduce the number of texts they receive during the season. Taylor responds to the campaign with a keyword that lets her opt out of the campaign, but she'll still receive other campaigns in the future. It's a win-win. Nani gets to keep an engaged subscriber, and Taylor enjoys a better experience with her favorite brand. Those are just two possibilities. Want to learn more? Give text marketing a try to explore even more ways to connect with your customers, from two-way conversations to help creating drafts with AI SMS marketing.